Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do a boat. A bird. Okay, take a piece of paper, fold it in half. Yeah, fold it in half. Fold it in half. And you can see it half. And take it and half it again. There. And open it. You can have this line, but it will make it easier. So while doing this, increase the close left. There. You can balance myself and here. There. I did it right. There. 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 Okay. Okay. Open it. And get the other here. Get the. Just a sec. Okay. You open it. And then roll it up. Okay. And do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Now I just created a hat. You can, and then open it. Open it. Oh wait. Okay. While you opened it, it will turn into a diamond. And open here. This is the open part of the boat. On the back. And then you just I'm gonna destroy this paper later. Okay. And the same thing on the other side. Cut. There. And then again, open it again. Oops. And we just created another diamond that looks like a puppet. And as you can see, you got this thingy. This is the open part of the triangle thingy. And here's it. And you have the results. The result is a puppet. Now you know how to do the puppet. Oh, see? So cool. Okay, move on. Okay, outside of the puppet, where's this paper sticker? Just nothing. Okay, you can see this. Put it like that. Put it like that. The results is a boat. Result is a boat. And then next, fold it in half. And this results. And go to this line and fold it in. There. You created a bird. It cannot fly. It's stupid. See this amazing. Okay, subscribe, like, and comment anything you want. And bye. I'm losing time here.